Hi, my name is Suzanne Kutz, and I'm from Williamsport, Pennsylvania. I'd like to say hats off to Pure Light Technologies. I'm enjoying my first candelabra bulb along with some of my other LED Pure Light bulbs, and I've placed them in my cellar. We've had a lot of rain recently here in Williamsport, Pennsylvania, and along with using the light bulbs and my Natural Action Technologies handheld device for structuring water, I'm having the air restructured as well by using this device on a fan. Well, the Pure Light bulbs and the Natural Action seem to work together quite synergistically. I'm a person who suffers from MCS, and I was really leery about anything like titanium dioxide, not really sure of what it was other than I'm pretty sure it's a mineral. And when I walked into a room after running both of them, and I like the candelabras because I can leave them on for a long period of time and not have to be concerned about them. I want to get one to put in a camper, and we have one out in the shed. And it's nice to know I can just leave that on and let it do its work. And when I come into the room after running both products, I find the air is lighter. It's easier to breathe, especially with all the humidity that we've had. The air just feels cleaner. It smells cleaner. And especially in our basement, I don't smell any dampness, like that damp mildewy smell. And I've really enjoyed the product. I hope you enjoy your product too. Thanks.